Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. And if I hit, this is the one I used, and I took it off this one because of the fact that it's got some messed up nodes on this part, and it would take you a little while to clean it up. But that is in the center of the page. If I press P and put it in the center of the page, you can see my outline is actually right on top of it, because there's my red. You can barely see the black below it. So let's move that. I still got it set on pretty high. Let's move that. So this is the red is the smaller one. And if you needed the outer shape of this, because we're using the inner shape, so this is a little bit smaller, you could actually measure what this is because it's a line. So go to the center of the line, it'll say edge to edge, and we're 0.02 larger. So you could grab your inner part, go to effects and contour to the outside 0.02 in black. And now you have, if that's the one you wanted to use, you could use it. Just go up to object and break contour apart. And then you could actually move the red out of the way. And this is more the true size of your knife. And if you look, if we move it, well, if we hit P and put it in the center of the page, you can see that that line is a lot better than the other one, where the other one has those broken parts. And I would only do that if you needed that full size of the knife. And there's still a little bit of problem where this has a curve here and these are straight lines. But you could deal with that. But if you're just doing it for intersecting, then this will work. So we'll bring back to the pattern. Let's zoom in a little bit. And I remember yep, it fits. And then just select them both. And let's try intersect. And it worked. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.